Welcome to the Throttle channel that brings you an alluring motor vehicle experience. In this video, we take a closer look at the 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe SR, the ultimate family SUV upgrade. From its spacious interior and advanced safety features to its powerful performance on the road, we explore why the Santa Fe SR is the perfect choice for families looking for comfort, style, and reliability. Join us as we dive into all the key aspects that make this Hyundai SUV stand out from the rest. This sleek and stylish SUV is designed to take your family adventures to the next level. With its bold exterior design and premium features, the Santa Fe SR is sure to turn heads wherever you go. This impressive SUV is designed to deliver an exhilarating driving experience. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful 2.5-liter turbocharged engine that produces an impressive 281 horsepower. It's paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission for smooth and responsive shifting. The Santa Fe SR also features HTRAC all-wheel drive, which provides enhanced traction and control in all types of road conditions. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling off-road trails, this SUV has you covered. The Santa Fe SR packs a punch under the hood as well. With a powerful engine and responsive handling, you'll enjoy a smooth and exhilarating driving experience every time you hit the road. Inside, the Santa Fe SR offers a spacious and comfortable cabin that can accommodate the whole family and then some. With advanced technology and safety features, you can drive with peace of mind knowing that you and your loved ones are protected. Whether you're running errands in the city or exploring the great outdoors, the 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe SR is the perfect companion for all your family adventures. Upgrade your SUV experience today with the Santa Fe SR. The Santa Fe SR also offers impressive performance capabilities. With a sport-tuned suspension and upgraded brakes, this SUV delivers a dynamic and engaging driving experience. Inside, you'll find a spacious and comfortable cabin with premium materials and advanced technology. From the driver's seat, you'll have access to features like a digital instrument cluster, touchscreen infotainment system, and wireless charging. Experience the perfect combination of power and performance with the Hyundai Santa Fe SR. When it comes to safety, the Hyundai Santa Fe SR has got you covered. With features like lane keeping assist, forward collision avoidance assist, blind spot collision avoidance assist, you can drive with peace of mind knowing that you and your passengers are protected. The smart cruise control system helps you maintain a safe following distance from the car ahead, while the rear cross traffic collision avoidance assist warns you of approaching vehicles when backing out of a parking spot. The safe exit assist feature even alerts you if it's not safe to open the door due to oncoming traffic. And let's not forget about the surround view monitor, giving you a 360-degree surroundings for easier maneuvering in tight spaces. With all these safety features, the Hyundai Santa Fe SR is truly a top choice for those prioritizing safety on the road. Thanks for watching our review of the 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe SR.